We're going to stay in Drawing Demo 02 now, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Ortho setting on the status bar in our drafting settings. I'm in the same drawing. I'm going to zoom into that same space. Notice there's no snap and grid this time, so I can move very freely. If I draw a line, like before, you can see, look, I'm drawing completely freehand. I'm not snapping to anything. You can see that there's nothing restricting my lines that I'm drawing. There's no constraints, nothing. So if I just delete all of that now, just select it all and delete it. Staying in that space now, I'm going to come down here to the status bar and click here. This is my ortho mode. Notice on all of these drafting settings in brackets there, you've got the function key on the keyboard that also allows you to toggle these settings on and off. So for ortho mode there, or ortho as it's known, it's F8. So if I click there, that goes blue and it's on. Now nothing looks any different on the screen until I start drawing lines. Now you'll notice with the wires in this particular AutoCAD electrical schematic, they're all at right angles to each other. Sure, we've got connectors and we've got wire hoops and things like that, but the lines are all perpendicular to each other. That's what ortho does for you. What it does is it ties you to the X and Y axes, so that basically you can only draw horizontal or vertical lines. Very, very useful on electrical schematics. So if I go to the line command again and draw a line, click there and drag, look, even though I'm moving the crosshair all the way down here, that line is staying horizontal. If I go vertical and move all the way over here, can you see? It only allows me to draw horizontally and vertically. So if I click now and just draw haphazardly, I can only draw lines that are horizontal or vertical, or in this case, you'll notice here, perpendicular to each other. So that's what ortho does on the status bar in your drafting settings. It basically constrains you to the X and Y axes and allows you to draw horizontal and vertical only.